Oh boy, did I have fun the other week making a bass effect rack inside of Ableton, as you could probably tell from my bass face. So throughout the week I've been chipping away at making many more, and I've come up with 10 banging dubstep bass effect racks. They will just transform your tones, oh my goodness. Standard saw wave, and the first one is the one we made the other week inside of this video. And then when we chucked an LFO on the filter and started making the wob sounds. Turn that down, that would help. 99%, get that classic D&B respace detune. It's very quiet without, hence I've made all the PHAT racks have gain knobs. Because you know, some synths are pretty quiet as is. And then some are freaking loud as soon as you open them up. That's where the gain knob will come into play. Like I said, analog's very quiet, we're gonna crank that gain up. But anyway, when you want to go for something a little bit crazier, maybe some FM craziness, even just chuck it on a sine wave, bang an 808. But we want square. Okay, maybe not create a respace for every single example. Here's some more PHAT racks. Oh my god, I forgot 2 back to back. No, I haven't tried that yet actually. Bucket. Nah, it just sounds like a potato. Well, I was planning on showing you guys the rest of the video, but the audio, oh my goodness. What is this? It's like every second chunk is missing. Oh my god. The rest of the video was me basically making an epic FM8 patch and chucking a PHAT rack on it. And it turned out so good. I'm so pissed off that I haven't got the audio for the rest of it. But reverse engineering that patch from my own video I made, I managed to recreate it and it's sounding just as good. Hopefully line up with the reaction I gave in the video. I tried to use as basic as effects as possible. I need to test them with Ableton 10 standard to see if they work. Here's a pop-up if they do. And this should be the versions of Ableton that will work with them. And each rack does use quite a lot of effects, so they are a little bit CPU heavy, especially if you have quite a few in the same project file. With that being said, the download link to them will be in the description. Hopefully you enjoy them. Catch you later guys, hopefully you have a great day and peace.